Hey there, wanted to do a quick review on this X-Pose tarp. This is a 12 foot by 14 foot tarp. I've got silver color on one side, and then if you turn it over on the inside here, we've got black, and then you can see the silver overlap around the hem. Some of the key features, rust-proof grommets all the way around, aluminum rust-proof grommets. You've got poly rope sewn into the hem where it overlaps around the perimeter. That's extremely important because that will make the tarp last a lot longer, and it will ensure that you won't get cuts or anything along this outside edge, which would cause the weave to come apart and fray. So we want to keep that weave together so it's got a good overlap hem with poly rope going all the way around the perimeter of the tarp. This tarp is designed to be used outdoors, UV, mold, mildew resistance, all that good stuff. Good construction around this outside edge. That poly rope is going to ensure that you don't get a tear or a rip in it, which would destroy the tarp. Makes it way more durable whenever it's got that poly rope sewn into the hem. In my opinion, this is a nice quality tarp. 10 mil thickness is ideal. Looks really good. Feels like it's gonna do exactly what I need it to do. I'd